This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, dusk sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.